He promised the stars, a rocket to Mars, a genius with flair, breaking all the bars. But the engine sparked, the dreams went bust. Now he's tweeting memes, collecting dust. His starship blew up, his stock went down. You're not our savior, you're just a clown. The headlines screamed, the fanboys cried. $1 billion dream turned to ash in the sky. He swaggered so tall, king of the tech. Now it's sorry bro and a smoking wreck. His starship blew up, the stock went down. You're not our savior, you're just a clown. Oh, he talks so loud, commands the stage. A circus ringmaster in a digital age. But the curtain's falling, the crowd's moving on. Was the magic gone? So here's to the dreamer, the hype machine, a cosmic flop on the trending screen. Next time you launch, better check that crown, 'cause the galaxy's laughing at the cosmic clown.